Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by checking power and connections because a dead pencil or disabled Bluetooth stops pairing immediately. Make sure the pencil tip is snug and the cap is off. Unlock your iPad and confirm Bluetooth is enabled in settings. Once done, insert the pencil into the iPad's Lightning port. You'll feel it seat. The physical connection triggers the pairing dialog. Stay at the home screen so the prompt can appear and you can accept without interruption. When the on-screen pairing dialog appears, tap Pair promptly because the connection is time-sensitive. You should keep the pencil inserted until the iPad shows confirmation. Removing it too soon can cancel the handshake. If pair fails, reinsert the pencil and try again. Sometimes the port needs a second contact. After successful pairing, navigate to the battery's widget or settings to view charge level so you know how long you can use it. Make sure apps accepts. You finish by verifying pressure sensitivity and tilt in Notes or a drawing app. This confirms full functionality. If no pair dialog appeared, restart the iPad and toggle Bluetooth off and on, then reinsert the pencil. Reboot often clears transient issues. If pairing still fails, inspect the pencil tip for damage and ensure the Lightning connector is clean. Try another iPad or a Lightning adapter to isolate hardware faults. That troubleshooting sequence narrows down whether the issue is software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.